To be so young, just having graduated, being able to work at such an innovative company that's really leading the way, I feel really fortunate to do so.
Work in such a fast-paced environment with so many other smart people that are really driven.
I really love how my role, challenges me to get creative. I'm reaching out to all different parts of the organization, different people from all over the world.
Having the right tools and people to be able to learn something completely new. You really get out of the role what you make it.
It's a small thing, but it was big to me at the time. As a TDR, when I set my first NPM, got it booked, my manager at the time announced it, everyone stood up and clapped. Deep down inside, it really meant a lot to me, just to feel supported.
Being able to have conversations with really high-level people that I never would have thought that, at this age, I would be speaking to.
Over the last year, I've been able to get more than 10 people promoted.
I'm now a regional director within 5 years and 5 promotions in 5 years. And they ended up moving me up to the New England patch, which, it's a little tougher. Made me feel good knowing that they could trust me to put me into that role and to succeed there.
I manage a team of TDRs. It's really cool to take somebody from a role that they don't know a lot about and getting them to their next career moves.
I felt like everything they told me before I took the job, if I were to work hard, hit my numbers, stay focused, that I would be promoted, and I was. Set out a goal to do it in under a year, did it in 11 months, so I think for me that was a big win.
There's no limit to what I'm able to achieve.